Hello, back again with the one and only with Dyan'van Ribbik Ngokwake. If you haven't subscribed, please do the right thing. Hit that subscribe button, put on the notification bar. If you want to request a song, all you have to do is subscribe or like any of my videos and leave a comment of the actual song you want me to react to. Today we're doing a request from my nigga Kwezi. My nigga Crazy asked us to react to Ifani See Live after he listened to the February song. Sorry about that, the February song. So yeah, as a guy who said I would react to this, I'm doing just that. Shout out to Crazy, my brother. So it's Ifani with See Live. Come and see live, no see live. I think that's how it goes. Hey, hip hop heads, bree.
See live, come and see live, no see live. Yeah, hip hop heads, Lena bree. Dyan'van, Ay, basho kwakudala madala banda badala batindlalina manyala isdala kufanelanga usidlahle.
Let's go, Fanny. Let's go. Hey, dog, Crazy dog. Hey, you bringing me back. You bring something back in me, dog. The fire. I might rap a lot.
See live, come and see live, no see live. Yeah, hip hop heads, Lena bree. Dyan'van, Ay, basho kwakudala madala banda badala batindlalina manyala isdala kufanelanga usidlahle. Befundila ndanga yethanga phakathi kwethanga endumama wandiyala wanyana mitya i-vegetables. Ifani sukes uhleli nje ufuna ukhe uhleli nje ufuna ubet ufuna ibhifu namandla kush zangeda bagala
kwasho kwakho dala batindlalina isdala ufuna uzilahle dog. Isdala ufuna uzilahle. Isdala silahle dog. So you're able, when you're going through a drought, hit her up. Hey, I miss you, man. I don't do this, but I'm just speaking for my bros. As a third person, I've seen it happen multiple times. Like, hey, dog, I miss you. And zange look lahle. So you're able to go back there and maybe get it. But yeah, ask up. Ufune beef namandle kush njani? You're not winning this. Ufune beef namandle kush. Come on, dog, be serious. You no match for me.
kwethanga endumama wandiyala wanyana mitya i-vegetables. Ifani sukes uhleli nje ufuna ukhe uhleli nje ufuna ubet ufuna ibhifu namandla kush zangeda bagala bamaphondi yabatyhala badlala kum umnyama ngumbalabala okhalabo. Ayikho ni-Afrika ndimi istar pasika milekini natsika push granjija slam dog natsika zumbuzo latika so minda yivalisa hlala phansi ube comfortable nazezami
push gantincha. When you kickstart a car, you need to push it, and then the other person is going to start the car. Why? But you're kickstarting a car. It's like push gantincha. It's telling you, I'm starting up the game. I'm sparking up the game because that's what you need when you kickstart a car.
Oh, I put you izane zakho ndikufucking ndifaki logo ye azapho ngesa one bread by school lengosasko zuma ngo Tom Cruise le mission impossible don't you let natsika buya
uzuma ngo Tom Cruise lo muchini impossible. You know Zoom Tom Cruise Mission Impossible. The muchini impossible.
Uyafuna unganarika so minda yibalisa mlominga tuyahambisa banyanisa ndisafuna ubagabisa rapa ndiyabagwatshisa ndenza babe uncomfortable. Ndibuwara magwala ndlalwa ndlalwa yi-adanda sudlala chip nilibakabaka nina nisalala uakawatha bakwasa hayi nondachaza sudlala kafaki fancy ayifani but hey man is sick fancy ayifani but hey man is sick how can they say I'm whack? See live, let them all hear my track. It goes hey funny, hey money, hey money. Pussy willy ndi busy nditi kunyikinyiku ewa kashachi says imbishi besi tu dikiti.
Ewe wenza shit dog. His song Ewe he's telling you Ewe with this PT as a bitch was saying digi John, you say my song is lukewarm, but it's doing the numbers. It's the hottest shit in the street, and you're saying it's lukewarm. Come on, hello. Let's go.
Hey man, say Ifani, but hey man, it's say Ifani. How can they say I'm whack? See live, let them all hear my track. It goes Ifani, hey money, hey money. Pussy weedy weedy, ndi busy ndi tiku nyiki nyiku ewa kasha says in bitchy busy to diggy diggy. Candy clean is cleany and DVC singing cleany. And so ye picking in the busy bitch in the comfortable. Candy city kini ni funu kun high. Zisa naba busy kini na funu kun sai. Nisa and the funi deal and the funu kun spy. Nisa natifiki pifika siki pisi sitafne kun. Shem nendi tekisa kini ndi yan tekisa. Tosa ndia sitengisa kini ndi yas welisa. Da weni yon kwelisa kini ndi yan krepisa. Khani nyiki ni khini basim.
I don't cheat that dog. Don't cheat, was cooking here, dog. Yo, he was rapping. This is like Spaza meets commercial. Nigga put Spaza and made it commercial, dog. I think his beat selection made it it was just a vibe to listen to Ifani.
Matodandi bawusile fakitullo ngihambile ndathi chess ndafakisdullo emabopan siyabukrenga salumzulo kusiphithi ndifisho sisinge black lady Ifani but hey man say Ifani hey man say Ifani but hey man say Ifani hey man how can they say I'm whack see live let them all hear my track it goes Ifani hey man Nyuku ya pull up pool Ngulu kumushuchu sipuza kumis Futu suka spuku Watfunu kuni puza mbundi Nobu tuku manu nunu Myeka chaive tu Yahuba lose Sanu booze Fucking nyuku Defunda zoos Wati pooza and soon Ekungu lose Bumsu pooza Lamba you and you Tuku Bumsu putu Kaweli futa
Let's go. I don't know. I think Kunguluza. It's a location, right? If from Port Elizabeth, you know exactly where Kunguluza is. It's a location. So I did like a rhyme. It was rhyming. But utuk, you know, takweli food. Futa is fat. Or usually someone who's chubby or fat. So yeah, it's practically the same thing. It's a play on words. But yeah, that was Ifani with See Live. See Live. Come and see live. No, see live. Hey, hip hop heads, pretty. I think that's what DJ See Live on the beat. But yeah, shout out to that. This was a different video, requested by Ukwezi. Just to reiterate it again, if you want to request a song, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Then I will react to your song. See you in the next video.